Vanessa and Donald Trump Jr.'s. Why would Vanessa Trump and Donald Trump Jr. seek an uncontested divorce? We have the answer from a top divorce lawyers who spoke to us exclusively. Vanessa Trump filing for divorce from Donald Trump Jr. is just the latest scandal to rock the first family. We have just a few questions about what's going on. Namely, what the hell happened? But also, why would Vanessa seek an uncontested divorce? Todd Spadek, managing partner of Spadek Law Group P.C., a high-profile NY criminal defense and divorce law firm, tells HollywoodLife.com exclusively exactly what getting an uncontested divorce means, and why the Trumps might want one. So, what is an uncontested divorce, exactly? Well, contested and uncontested divorces refer to the individual issues that arise in a divorce. This can be the grounds, child support, spousal support, equitable distribution, expert fees, legal fees, etc., Spadek said. An uncontested divorce can mean that the parties have already negotiated and resolved all of the issues in the divorce and there is nothing to dispute. They're submitting everything to a judge for his or her signature on the actual judgment of divorce. Why would a couple, like say and the Trumps, file for an uncontested divorce? Universally, this is the best option as the parties are best suited to address their needs, and their family's need. In a contested divorce, a judge will decide the contested issues, Spadek told us. You would only file for an uncontested divorce if you the parties have agreed or plan to agree to the terms of the divorce. Everyone wants to do this, but the problem is oftentimes the emotions get in the way. Here are the pros to getting an uncontested divorce. It's cost efficient, there are less legal fees, says Spadek. If you are the moneyed spouse, you would pay the other spouse's legal fees. You would avoid expert fees and appraisals. Furthermore, the couple doesn't have to appear in court, and the case stays private, essentially, and out of the media. It's also much easier on the family and children. If custody and visitation are contested, then an attorney for the child can be appointed and the kids' lives are disrupted. The soon-to-be exes can amicably negotiate things like custody and nesting. It's also tax advantageous, he told us. Essentially, with an uncontested divorce, you control your destiny. Well, that sounds amazing. Why would anyone not want to go the uncontested route? Turns out, there's a few cons to the deal, too. Basically, this isn't for couples with major problems, says Spadek. If the parties don't get along in regards to custody, visitation, then a joint custody arrangement will not work in the long run and will generally lead to problems. If there's a more serious issue at hand, like domestic violence or emotional abuse, then Spadek recommends a contested divorce. Going the uncontested route means that you may spend more in the short run.